king's gate and answer the people's question every time that people ask a question. And Hadassah always bring lunch for Mordecai, so like pomegranates, cheese, bread with honey, and it was very delicious for Mordecai. Hadassah grew up into a very pretty girl. She was such a happy, helpful, and kind girl. And then Mordecai saw a shining star, and then he said, Hadassah, your name shall no longer be Hadassah. It shall be Esther, which means a shining star. Esther loves her new name. She said, Esther, Esther, Esther. Over and over, she said her new name. And now, it happened that the king of Persia will choose a queen for Persia. They call all the beautiful maidens in the land. Maiden after maiden, all of them were beautiful. But when the king saw Esther, he said, Esther shall be the queen. And he walked slowly to get the crown and placed it carefully on Esther's head. Esther was very happy being a queen. Esther read the rules of the Persia, but then there was one strict rule in the palace that no one can go inside in the palace except it is invited. A terrible thing was happening in the land of Persia. Mordecai sent a messenger for Esther. He said, Esther, all God's people will be killed, so you are needing to go to the king and ask him to pray and save the God's people. And then Esther said, I can't go there unless I'm not invited. And then again, Mordecai sent another messenger to Queen Esther that said, don't be afraid. Maybe God led you to be a queen this time. And then Esther replied, okay, I will do. All of my maids, we will pray for 3 days and 3 nights. And after all, we will go to the king and ask him to save and pray for the God's people. And then they pray for 3 nights and 3 days. And then the time comes. Queen Esther walked slowly to king of the Persia and said the king, who will come into my palace except I don't invite anyone? And then Queen Esther opened the door and then said, king, take that person away. But then when Queen Esther opened the door, she was very happy to see the king, and the king was very happy too. Said the king, why you are here, my queen? What do you want? Is there a question? Queen Esther said, my king, I want to invite you for a dinner tonight. And then king said, yes, I may go this night. And then they go to Queen Esther's house. And then Queen Esther asked the king to save and pray for God's people. And then that time, all people of God were saved and freed. All of them were very happy. Perhaps their happiness is Queen Esther. Once Hadassah the orphan girl, then Esther the shining star, and now